see red in this. Alright. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Chickatoo. Nice to Ball is spinning already. It's spinning already, guys. Believe it or not. I'm gonna pull the lever down. You don't believe me? Guys, I'm crazy. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I will. I told you I will. I'm crazy. No, I'm bad, guys. Relax. Alright, 3 lighting numbers for this round. 16, 22, 30, 500 extra 30. No way. No, 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 no. Guys, is that 30 with 500x? Chance top winner of the round, 44,000. GF top winner as well, 1.6 thousand. Oogie, 6.8 thousand. Am I sleeping? No way. No.
Let's move on. Daytime is over. Betting grid move. Lightning starts. Show me what you got. We got here 4 numbers. 1, 19, 32, and 33. Ooh, 19 outstands there with 500x. Oppa, oppa, boom, boom, boom. 500x, everybody. I hope you go wild right now. 259 lightning number winners. Amazing lightning number winners. 259, 500x. Amazing. Congratulations. Wow, bada boom, bada bow. Wow, I have no words right now.
50 chance because there is that 0 green, but I think it's 49 point something chance to get both of those, you know, reds and blacks. For this next lightning round, we're gonna have 3 lightning numbers: 15, 24, and 30, 400x for the 30. And we're gonna take a look at that, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Number 30, that's the winning number, and it's moved by 400 times, our first one this morning, and it's a big one. Congrats to the winner, the special ones with a straight up bet on the 30, 400x in your pocket. Ka-ching!
Panda, that's all I can say. 22 with 500x, 33 with 100x. Good luck.
Who said this? A boring session. It just happened. What a start. Oh, I'm back from a vacation. Finland. Everybody who hears me, it's 500x22. I cannot believe in my eyes. 455 winners. 295. 500x winners. TIS at the top with 13,000 more.